Hi folks, good morning, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a sunny Spain. Last couple of days, freezing cold, especially at night and in the morning. I was delighted when I looked at the weather forecast for the next week because the temperatures are rising every day, and they do say March is when the temperatures start to rise. But wonderful, really looking forward to getting out and about every day again. Longer walks for the dogs, t-shirts, haven't worn my shorts in ages. So it's Friday and I'm going to go to the biggest market in the area. I haven't been to a market in years, but I used to do markets. When I was 21 until I was 23, I had 2 market stalls and I travelled every market in Northern Ireland. I used to sell toys and costume jewellery. Had a go at everything. So I'm going to go to the market. I'm looking for a couple of cheap t-shirts just for running about in, and onward and upward. I'm going to try something new today. I'm going to clip my GoPro onto a strap of my backpack and walk about so I can film rather than sticking it by my hand in people's faces, but I don't know how well it will go down, we'll see. So this market is from 7:30 AM to 2 PM. All the markets seem to finish really early, and I suppose that's because of the weather during the summer. It gets very hot, but this is said to be one of the biggest in this part of Spain. And as you know, I'm not a big shopper, but a bit like big gadget shops, markets are a bit of a curiosity, so I quite enjoy them, usually. Oops, road closed. That was the road I was meant to go up. But down here, this wee road seems to run alongside. See if I can get parked. I'm usually lucky getting parked. Oh no, no, can't park there. Ah, right at the end. Told you, lucky getting parked. I don't know how well this camera thing's going to work. I hope it's aiming in the right direction. How conspicuous is that? Whenever I drive down the big dual carriageway from Torrevieja to Guardamar, I see this big, massive empty car park. Hadn't realised that's where the market was. I hope the camera's a success because this feels far less intrusive than walking up here with it in my hand. And you don't have to look at my ugly face. I used to have a girlfriend that laughed like that. Fairly busy, and as you'd expect, some really good stuff and a lot of tat. Now, blankets. Now, I get cold in the evening, so I'll maybe buy a blanket. Will I? And saying that, no I won't. Hoping for the hot nights to come, I shouldn't be buying blankets. Lots of good looking leather stalls. Saying that, I don't know anything about leather stalls, so. Fruits I don't even know some of them, although I did know the oranges. Anyone for an olive?
I know for you it probably do. Just these light blankets are really nice. Yeah. No, it does look nice. It's these that...
I wonder is that bread any better than the stuff I've been getting? I wonder how it tastes. Plenty of these wee restaurant-y bar with seats outside. Very nice. I went and looked at a few t-shirts there, but not very good, not cheap either. I bought nothing. Oh, for flip's sake, girl. Showing yourself up. Oh. That's a fancy four-wheeler. Dog basket included. Aye, I'm definitely a rubbish shopper. Half an hour lasted. Brian, I can smell KFC. I'm going to go hunting. Actually, I'm not too far from the usual, I don't think, here. That's me trying to walk properly walk. But this is how I walk normally. Haven't left the apartment too much over the last couple of days other than walking the dogs. I've hit on this a few times, but although the weather's nice, it only rains in March on average 1.5 inches of water. So it's nice and it's clear sun, but even when it's like this, you can only go on so many walks. You know, you're having your coat and your jumper on, and I find myself hunkering down a wee bit like I do at home, which is fine, but I'm really looking forward. So hopefully this weather that we're being promised is on the way. Right, so I hope I worked out the camera. I hope I've got good pictures, because it was so easy to walk about with that on it. In fact, I sort of forgot about it, and I'm now going to walk around to Kentucky with it on, because I've brought my camera out in Kentucky a few times. You go to film people and then put it away. So let's see how that goes. Money van, wonder if there's any bags lying around. Subway empty, Friday afternoon. TGB empty. Taco Bell, a couple of people in it. Kentucky empty. Regular meals, 3-piecer, standard, normal Pepsi, couple of hot wings, done. 11.88, not bad. Gracias. Now, my apartment, around the area there's a few apartments that they've just built the structure, and there's quite a lot of areas where it's flat land, where you can tell they're going to build at some point apartments. But behind me there was a structure and a bit of flat land, and about 3 days ago I heard noise and I went out and had a look, and it was a big crane, one of the big cranes they built in position. So it's in between the land and the building, so I think it's actually going to be one big place, whatever it is. But unfortunately, we'll have the builders in, that means. But again, I have been fortunate because I'm on the hot side, the sunny side of the building. I'm also on the opposite side of the building to the crane and the new apartment block. So hopefully it'll not affect me too much. I'll not think too much about it, but you do hear horror stories, don't you? People getting woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning with hammer drills going off and all sorts. Anyway, we'll look on the positive side. I'm a really good sleeper. There you go, that was a nice day, I enjoyed that. Funny, when I was walking around with short sleeves, I was thinking I might as well be wearing a t-shirt that says tourist. I did get some strange looks, and it's not boiling, but it's nice, you know, like Northern Ireland summer, UK summer. So I'm gonna leave it off there. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up would be brilliant, subscription would be fantastic. Love to hear your comments, but until next time, bye for now.